welcome to my channel. Today I have a treasure for you guys. I made this awesome mirror out of nothing. I got those frames, beautiful frames. I got it from Home Depot and Lowe's. And then I'll explain it to you guys thoroughly throughout the video. But anyways, hop along. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, leave me a comment or subscribe onto my channel. Thank you. Bye.
Alrighty, so here I have some beautiful trims that I got from Home Depot. Okay, this one, as you can see, it's a little thicker, so it's gonna go around the edge of the mirror to make sure that will protect any sharp edge. And then this other one's just gonna go on top for the looks. Now, this one right here, I'm just making sure that it fits properly. I haven't glued it yet. Just don't want to make any mistakes. Now I'm using the simple hot glue gun with some of that Gorilla hot glue sticks. And let's see how it's going to work. I'm just putting a very good amount onto the trim, to the frame, and expecting that will stick together. And it actually did. I'm impressed by that hot glue. It really surprised me. I'm also using this great stuff for gaps and cracks. I just put it around on the back to secure the mirror onto the frame even more. And then at last, I'm just putting the final trims on top of it, just still using the same hot glue sticks. And voila, it worked just fine, and I was so thrilled.